Hey everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to create the light leaks in Premiere Pro. Go to the effects panel, create a new item, adjustment layer and press OK. Drop this adjustment layer over the clip and expand it to the length of the clip. Then go to the effects panel and search for the ramp. Drop this ramp effect over the adjustment layer. Then go to the effects control. If it is not shown, go to the windows and select the effects control and just scroll it down in the ramp effects and click on the start color and choose your desired color. For this case, I'm going for something orange like this, and the second color, choose the end color, and I'm going to go for something yellowish like this. Press OK. You can even adjust their position by clicking on these small handles. Then go to the effects control once again in the ramp panel and expand this panel something like this, and go to the beginning of the timeline and click on the start of the ramp and just move few frames ahead, let's say 10 frames in this case, and then just adjust these values to your liking. You can adjust them front or back and see how the color is moving from left to right or up to down. Then go back to the first frame again and choose the end color. Click on the end of the ramp and just move few frames ahead, and then adjust these positions or these values by dragging either left or right or up or down. So if you just play it through, you will see the colors are moving, but it is not animated. So we'll select both of these keyframes and drag them together so this animation or this transformation happens quickly. And now we'll just copy them even further. So we'll select all of these and drag and drop while holding Alt or Option. That would make a copy of these. And again we'll do this, and then now select all of these frames, press Alt or Option and just drag it even again, and that would create different copies of these keyframes. And you can see now these colors are animated. And now go back to the effects in the opacity and change the opacity to the screen, and boom, immediately you are getting this light leak effect in Premiere Pro. You can even adjust its opacity from 100 to let's say 54% or to any percentage you like. And if you want, you can even change the blend mode to let's say lighten or color dodge or the overlay and the soft light. So each would give you the different results. So you can go for any of the blending modes which you like, but I prefer the screen mode and that works much better. So you can see this is how it looks. If you want, you can lower down the opacity, but in this case, in this particular example, I like the 100% opacity because that looks amazing. So let me just bring it back to 100%, and now let's look at the clip. Wow, this is amazing. So this is how you can easily create your own light leak in Premiere Pro. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any question, if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.